this question, we are finding the scale factor of A enlarged to B. So I think the formula to find the scale factor is very simple. So I can just write SF equals to the after over before. So if A enlarged to B, so the after image is B and the before image is A, or we can call the pre-image is A. So to find the scale factor of number 1, you have to calculate the length of the after 4 over before 1. So we can say that the scale factor of 1A is 4. How about number 1B? It's the same. So we can look at the length 4 over 2, which is 2. But you can use the other way. You can see the width of the image. We can say this 2 over 1, and it will produce the same answer. So you can use either one. How about number 1C? For number 1C, you also use the before over after. Sorry, after over before. So after image is B, 1, 2, 3, find the lowest, over 1. So which is 3. Or you can just look at the other, but it's more complicated, but it's still okay, still can be used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 over the before 1, 2, 3. It's also 3. Sorry, I got sore throat, but I think it's quite simple. So scale factor of enlargement is always more than 1. It has to be 4, 2, 3, and above. In this diagram, for number 2, A has been reduced to B. Again, we use the same formula after over before. Okay. So how do you do this? How do you solve this problem? So A has been reduced to B, so find the scale factor. So B over A, 1 over 3, right? Make it fast. 1 over 3. So the scale factor that is the scale factor of reducement is always less than 1 or in between 0 and 1. Okay, so in between 0 and 1. In this case also, can use the after image 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2, you can just focus on top. That's better. 1 over 2. You can do directly here. Here also 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 over 4. Okay. Now, enlarge or reduce each object by the scale factor given. Scale factor 2 means it is more than 1. It has to be enlarged. You can start anywhere. So this has 2. So if you draw the image, I use the red color, you can double the size. Okay, so double the size, so 2 becomes 2 times 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for the length, or for the width. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put it here. Why? Because I have to find an efficient way to do. Okay, so 3, 1, 2, 3 becomes 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. So this is the image. Actually, you can put anywhere, but in my opinion, find the most efficient way. Now, scale factor 3. Here, if I have this as the length 2 for the height, so the height will be multiplied by 3. So 2 times 3 equals to 6. So you can just write anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. And for the base, 1, 2, 3 times 3 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I don't have enough space. 8, 9. Okay, I add more space in order to meet the needs. Okay, to meet the sufficient working. Okay, to meet the scale. I can add more like this as I want, right? More, better. And then draw the hypotenuse, means the longest side. There you go. Then there you go. So that's the image. I will use the black colored pen so you can see the image after enlargement of scale factor 3. How about scale factor half? You half the image, half the picture, or half the object. If you do half, you have to multiply by half, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes 1, 2, right? 4 times half equals 2. So you can just write in the middle, like this. Up to you. Oh, okay, I want to put it here. Can we? Sure, no problem. You can put anywhere, but as long as you know what it means by scale factor half. Means you decrease the size. Okay, so this is not an enlargement, this is the decreasement. Okay, or reducement. I put it on top, up to me, up to you also. Okay, now how about this scale factor 1/3? So you multiply by 1/3. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when 6 times 1/3 will be 2. So this is 2, and then 2 also like this. Okay, I put it like that. As simple as that. Now the challenging part, scale factor 4. You multiply by 4. 1 here becomes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I don't have enough space like this. This is length of 2 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have to put it below. So it has to be about like this. Okay. This is not so good in drawing, but I think that's the way you try to explain. Scale factor 2, you double the size of this. So like this becomes this here. So this is the head. You double the head, the distance of the head here, and then the eyes, the hand, like this. Okay, go down by twice, right? And then go down, but go right, left by twice, go up by twice, and then you put the leg like this, okay? Now find the scale factor when A is transformed to B. A transformed to B. So 3/1, right? After the after image is B, the before image is A, right? This is same with number 1 I mean. So 3/1, we get 3 here, and then there you go, H 1, 2, 3, 4/2, 4/2, which is 2, and then A to B, 1/2, 1/2. Be careful, it is a reducement. Okay, that's it for the explanation. I don't think we have another page. Okay, just like that. I hope you understand the idea of the enlargement, decreasement or reduce, and also finding the scale factor. So this is the basic formula to calculate the scale factor.